Today we're learning about the newest indoor-outdoor play yard from KidCo. It's not only lightweight, easy to carry, assemble, and fold, it keeps your little ones safe and secure with unique features and greater long-term value as it can be used with babies 6 months to children 8 years or 35 inches. Now the Play-N-GoPod is super quick to assemble, comes pre-assembled with only a few short steps. Comes in a durable travel bag. It's only 8 pounds, lightweight for on the go, easily fits inside your car. When you first open it, you will see that the microlight pad that goes on the floor of the unit is actually attached to the outside of the play yard. And you don't actually need to take it out of the play yard when you fold it after use moving forward. So simply remove it from its bag, and I'm going to place the bag off here to the right. Then you'll see that the sleeping pad is actually attached to the outside with its own strap. So you're going to remove the sleeping pad, hold the unit from underneath, and just place the sleeping pad off to the side. Then you're going to see that the unit itself has its own strap attached, and you're going to go ahead and unbuckle that, release it, and now the unit is ready to actually assemble. So all you do is flip the unit over like this, grab onto the top housing, let the legs fall out, and then you're just going to grab the inner housing here, pull the unit up, and then place your hands on the inside of the housing here and push down. Now, once you have the unit assembled, you simply open the front door, take your microlight sleeping pad, and you can see that they have Velcro in each corner and on the center of the back of the pad. They've also placed the same Velcro in each corner and the center of the unit itself. So you're simply going to take your pad, place it inside the unit, line it up with each corner, and you can do so like this, and then it's secure. If you're new to play yards, they're often used as alternatives to bulky travel cribs, but this one has so much more increased versatility. It can be used for napping, playing, keeping your little ones safe and secure while you're able to supervise and still attend to other things, as well as travel, such as hotel rooms, other people's homes, outdoors, and even the beach. It's incredibly roomy, 4 feet by 4 feet with a height of 46 inches. And this accommodates babies 6 months of age to children 8 years of age or 35 inches, whichever comes first. And it has incredible features. So on the front top here, as well as the sides, you'll see a UV 50 mesh. This is for increased visibility, an insect screen, as well as increased airflow. And over here, they've thought of everything. There are 3 external pouches for toys as well as accessories. And on the front flap here, as well as the back, which I'll show you in a moment, they have an easy zip opening with unique magnetic closures which fasten easily here. This enables you to reach in and out of the unit without opening the front door, but also offers increased visibility. And they've done the same thing here on the front door. Again, there's an easy zip opening, and it's easy to keep the front door open using the unique magnetic fastener. Now on the back side of the unit, they have solid fabric on the hoods as well as the side for increased shade. Here they have yet another easy zip open flap with a unique magnetic closure to keep it open, again for increased visibility or your ability to reach in and reach out without opening the door. And here is a truly unique feature. They have an external pouch for a tablet so that you can keep your little one entertained with this clear vinyl interior so that they can see the tablet, but it is externally placed in a secure pouch. Now the KidCo Play-N-GoPod is as easy to fold as it was to assemble, and you can do it in less than a minute. First, just remove anything additional from inside the unit. You can leave the microlight pad inside to fold it, and then make sure that all of your flaps and your front doors are zippered shut. Then you're just simply going to move to the front here and squeeze the inner housing while pulling up, and then you want to bend each of the legs inwards like so until you get to this point. Then I always keep in mind that the strap is on the back of the unit, and I simply work my way around the unit, pulling the legs up. You can even place it on its side if it's easier for you. And when you get to this point, you have your strap. You simply take it underneath like so. Gather the flap in. And then it's locked and ready to place inside your durable travel bag. KidCo's motto is for a lifetime, and they show their dedication by standing behind their products with a best-in-class lifetime limited warranty on all products sold in the United States and Canada. And they not only make sure all of their products meet regulatory standards, but products such as these are also JPMA certified, which is an independent and voluntary set of testing. And you can always contact their customer service for replacement parts or replacement instruction manuals, as well as visit their website or YouTube channel for assembly videos. This particular product is available in pink, shown here, as well as midnight gray.